There we go.
Alright. The eBay budget build computer, yeah.
No, we got some Amazon.
Some Amazon. Deck that. Considering the fact my YouTube channel is my name, I don't think it was proper to redact.
It's already cut.
Totally.
Can't hold the GoPro upside down.
There you go. There you go. Yeah.
There you go.
Alright. I get this from Newegg for like 40 dowel hairs. Alright.
That's gonna rip.
Yeah, you get that side. Oh.
Here, you just grab the box.
No lost screw is, no?
It's probably in the case. Hopefully.
Yeah.
If not, we're gonna have an issue.
Look at that polish.
It better be in the case.
It better be, because we'll need them.
Because I didn't bring any.
There's a packet there.
Oh, it's in there.
Yeah. Look at the goodies.
Yeah, we're not gonna need this for a while.
Look at all the LED wiring I have. I mean, that's for the ports, but I know I have like an LED fan in here in the front.
Is it in there?
Should be. Here it is, right here.
No, it's in there. Here.
Let's get this piece off.
Here's your fan.
Look at that. It is.
Oh, look, you even got the dust covers.
Yeah, right? Newegg don't mess around. Alright. So, there's La Casa, the case.
That's good Spanish.
Yeah, it's very good.
Alright,
Dust covers.
where's the motherboard?
It's right in here. Oh, here's the RAM.
I'll put that on.
So it's hopefully not fried motherboard. We gotta put that. AMD, because we don't mess around with Intel. This kid does.
No, I don't.
Here. A lock choice. Okay, let's. If I can do this right. Piece everywhere.
You're supposed to have it upside down.
It's ground.
You're fine.
Alright.
Give me that.
Yeah,
I'll hold
this
that.
dual GoPro. Alright. And loud RAM is already in there. Loud RAM on. So
Here, hold this, and I'll put the other stick of RAM in. Let me see that bag.
Okay, let's just clear the trash out from underneath so this thing doesn't topple and kill us all.
That is a really small fan.
She'll do.
Alright. Well, which channel is which on the RAM?
God knows. Oh, here.
This one. DDR2. We put it in the same channel. Is it in? Yeah, it's in right. Look at that.
Wait, hold on a sec.
They're not the same, it's fine.
No, I'm just looking.
Oh.
These are DDR...
3.
Yeah, DDR3 is... Okay, yeah.
1600.
Okay. Cool. Alright. A lot of screws.
Where's that face, or the back plate? Right here.
There. Do we need like risers or anything? So you're not supposed to like have the motherboard touch the screen. There'd be like internal
They
ones.
better be in there. Most computers have them, but this one doesn't.
Oh, here.
Yeah, they're in here, the standoffs. So to put the, do you have the power supply?
Yeah.
That's supposed to go in first.
Yeah, the power supply. Okay, I get that. Alright, we're just gonna start losing parts everywhere. We're just gonna keep them all right there. Alright, power supply time.
My guess is this is Windows. Yes, this is Windows, I
It's a
bet.
pound, dude. That's a shipping weight.
That's the power supply?
Yup.
I don't think so.
Give it a big box.
Yeah, that's power supply. It's too light.
Amazon special, yeah. Ooh.
Can't keep holding the GoPro upside down, man.
Need the Haggard stick. Wow. 40 dial hairs off Amazon. Oh, you need the not Kanife still.
No, we don't. Yeah, we do.
Get your talons out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me get the GoPro. You keep holding upside down.
Yeah, you do. Alright, there's that. Alright. Look at that. Like a glove. I hope it's childproof. All the static we can. Might shank myself. Oh! No, I just. Oh. They don't want you to open these things. This is trash. Oh my god. There we go.
Do you need help opening up a box?
Yeah, that's pretty difficult. It's fighting me all the way.
You got the monitor from Nam, you know.
Magnavovision, man. There's a date on it, right?
I just showed it. Brand new mint condition, you know.
Alright, you need to read
2002.
these. You need to read these.
No more.
Let's see if it comes with the chord. Yes, it does. Didn't have to get that Dell one now. A little upset about that. Pile of trash.
That needs to go in first.
Yup.
And leave those cords tied up for right now. So we're not fighting them all. Actually, leave it down.
It goes in at the top. Look at that. Yeah. Alright, we need the last screw is. Oh, yeah, I forgot. We need the last screwdriver for this. Uh-oh. Yeah.
What is in my screwdriver? Let's play what's in my screwdriver. Oh, the cap already came off. Oh, screwdriver socket thing.
Which ones do we use? These were on the floor.
Those are for, that's supposed to go in the back of the case.
Okay.
Take your GoPro. Take the GoPro.
Just send that to you. This thing.
I don't think those are it. I don't know, this case kind of has weird screws. These are motherboard screws. Hey, where's the thing that... It's not it.
What are you looking for?
The manual thing that came with this, because it'll tell you.
The,
It's
right
screws.
there. Black bone.
'Cause this one uses weird screws. Alright. This isn't the way that I would use these screws, but okay.
They seem really thin for holding an entire power supply in.
They used the screws that I would use for a motherboard to hold the power supply in.
Yes. Hey, Phillips.
I have the screwdriver.
Oh yeah, what am I thinking?
We got the fancy one. It even
the
latches.
AutoZone, yeah. Do you have 120s in your computer?
Which one?
Well, let's start with the blue one.
No, those are 80s, I think.
What about your desk one? I bet you got a lot in there.
It's gonna have like 8 of them. I have a whole big
Get
pile.
like the 240.
I should.
Like right under the
I don't know
corner.
where I'm gonna put it though. Where is the other screw? Oh, it's still in there. Wait.
There's 2 right here.
Yeah. Oh, I have them all.
Alright. Oh, wrong way.
Yeah, that's where it goes.
Alright, here we go. Alright. 2 or 2, right?
Put this screw in before it becomes. Oh, it's weight.
Dude, it's not going in, yo.
Let me use a screwdriver, yo.
Hmm.
I don't think that's magnetic. I don't think I magnetized many of those.
Oh, look at you, got the ratcheting one.
That
doesn't work.
Well, you gotta spin the thing to make it ratchet. No, this thing. Is that tightening or loosening?
That's tightening.
How is it?
I'll equal it out. Rubber. The holes are a little different. I think we
You'll be fine.
Yeah, maybe we make it fit. Maybe turn it up really quick.
Yeah, wait.
I'm gonna end that one and keep yours going. Good. Nice.
These are nice. You don't have to use screws.
Yeah. Dude, I can't even. I won't be able to get that bottom one. You just gotta flex it. Oh, it's probably.
No, I'm just holding it in the back.
Here, let me. Down.
Hold on. Just push it in there. You'll be fine.
Here, push the power supply. Are you pushing?
Let me see this.
You can get down in that. I'll start cleaning this up. Oh, ball!
What are those?
They're the exact same, I think. They're
Yeah.
hanging underneath this piece.
They are. Well, no, I got extras.
Yes. You gotta have that disk drive. Complimentary zip ties. Huh? Pretty neat.
GoPro's still on, right?
Yeah, she's going.
So it's not
Any
getting tight.
technical difficulties you need have. Even a spare sword. Dell Division.
Let's take off the other side.
Should be on the back. It's tight on. No, that's tight.
This is like cross-threaded in there. Why?
It is what it is.
They did. They put it in
Really?
cross-threaded. Wow. Got some real quality.
Dude,
Cross-threading it.
Newegg don't mess around. Put these in the house.
Obviously they do because they cross-threaded it. Well, it's not their fault.
Yeah.
Whoever made the case.
Like, oh yeah. Turn that on. Like a glove.
Come on.
Right. Call Dr. Zip Tie. Working on La Computadora. I will unpackage La Keyboarda. Spanish hasn't failed in 2 years now. You're gonna see your keyboard, huh?
The old
G5.
keyboard.
Dude, I love this thing. Dude, the package seal. Oh, Rancho Barnado operations.
That's.
Do not break seal prior to usage.
Where's your hard drive? Let's put that in before I put the side back
Right
on.
here. Alright, I'll get that. Alright, we'll do the hard drive.
Let's say we put the hard drive right here. That's what I would say.
This hard drive costs like $35 or something. Or 40.
What is it, a terabyte?
Yeah.
It's probably 40.
Let's see. There you go. Basically getting like double the view when you own it. Oh, the hamster.
I didn't even know you had a hamster.
Why do I have the keys?
Dude, I don't know.
Look at these
Squirrels?
He's just chilling. No. Alright.
A box inside of a box.
eBay quality right here.
It's Amazon.
Oh, that's what eBay
It's not
does.
even sealed.
No, it's not. Just one side.
Not even both sides, just the corner. Tiger Direct packages these better.
Yeah.
They do. They put them in like this
Tiger
big.
Direct.
They put them in like this big crush-proof box thing.
Really crush proof.
Yeah, it's like designed so it won't be broken when it ships.
The keyboard continues.
Here, I just hold that for you.
Alright. Open to ship shape. Oh.
Come on, there we go.
Huh? Let me get this size. Good. I got the Pro mouse too. The no
Did it come in there?
Yeah, here. Look at that.
Yeah, we're not using that to set up the computer. I don't feel like navigating windows like that.
Aren't the sensors not supposed to be good?
Yeah, they're not that good. I
They got
have
this
one.
little rotor at the bottom. What's that?
Wait,
Is
what?
that sensitivity?
Oh, I don't know what that is. Mine has that too. I haven't figured that out yet.
Alright. Now the G5, dude. This thing came all corners of the United States just to get here.
How clean is it? Very clean.
It is.
That's how mine
It's
is.
around the keys, but that's what you'd expect. What is up with this? Like, how can they have that plastic?
I don't know. Weight reduction, yo.
Yeah, dude. VTAC.
I cannot get this in.
Shipped with, like, no residue on it.
There we go.
Nope. See how many boxes we can stack on that box. Jenga. Alright. I like how there's no trays either, isn't that nice?
What?
Or do you prefer trays?
This is fine.
That's a dandy case.
Not really sure I trust it, but it's fine.
Oh, because, wow, yeah.
It's plastic. That's why I'm screwing.
Escape. He's trying to escape.
Escape, try to escape.
Alright, you're all set. Do you ever have to put a key like back on your Mac? Your Air?
No.
Those are like hard because there's like
I had it on my old laptop though.
it's like you gotta lift up this wire and you gotta like
Yeah,
hook
that's
it
how-
under
that's
and
how
then
they normally
it's
are.
like on both. It's terrible. Dude.
My dog stepped on my old laptop. He ripped like 10 keys off.
Is he just running?
Yeah, he like dug on it and like ripped like 10 keys out.
Oh man.
And then I had some pieces missing that I couldn't find. I had like taped them on. It happened twice.